Hey yo, what's poppin', guys? It's your boy Dennis Grizzard, back at it again with another video. Here on my channel we talk about personal finance, saving, investing, entrepreneurship, and credit. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me here today again. I want to talk to you guys about a really cool topic today. So this topic that I'm going to talk to you guys today about is the 5 best credit cards for beginners. So let's get right into it. Credit card number 1, where a lot of people start and kind of get their feet wet, is the Capital One Platinum card. That's where I started when my credit score was just building. You know, I started with a 479 credit score and I was able to build my credit report up to a 650 in a month and a half. And the first credit card that I got after doing that is the Capital One Platinum card. They gave me like a $300 limit, but I was fresh. I was new to credit, and it was the perfect way to kind of get me started on my journey. Now, the Capital One Platinum card, it does not have an annual fee. And if you get denied for the Platinum card, they do have a secured option where you can put a certain amount of money down to get access to a credit limit. What you want to do is you make your on-time monthly payments, you keep your utilization low, and they will check for 5 months to see how you're doing and how you're managing your credit. And if you've done well, they go ahead and give you a credit limit increase after that time. And if you have a secured card, they'll go ahead and bump you up to an unsecured version of the Capital One Platinum card. And when you get the unsecured card, they go ahead and they send you your money back, and then you have access to your own line of credit. It's a great way to start. Once you have this credit line and you've been doing good, you've had it for about 6 or 7 months, maybe 8 months, you can go ahead and call in and request a product change. When you product change the card, you can go ahead and get the Capital One Quicksilver card, which is credit card number 2. Now, if you're first getting started, a good cashback card that you can get from Capital One is the Capital One Quicksilver card. And you want to make sure that you get the one that doesn't have an annual fee. They have 2 different options. They have the Quicksilver and the Quicksilver One. You don't want to get that one because they have like a $39 annual fee, and there's no reason to pay an annual fee when you're just getting started with a credit card. So you go ahead and you get this credit card and you use it the exact same way. You keep your utilization really, really low, and you show that you're doing good with this credit card. And you know, they'll give you credit limit increases every now and then. Capital One, they're really stingy with their credit limit increases. So if you don't start high, it's kind of really hard to build up high. So your first credit card is probably going to end up being really low. Keep that in mind. And if your credit limit does end up being really low, I have another video that shows you how to get high limit credit cards. You can probably go ahead and get one of those cards first and then apply for the Capital One Platinum or the Capital One Quicksilver card. And you'll probably have a better chance of getting a higher limit. Credit card number 3, the Discover It secured card. Now, Discover is a little bit tricky. You don't want to have any negative accounts on your credit report. Maybe one old one you might be able to slide through, but you want to make sure that your credit report is pretty clean for the most part, and you can go ahead and start with the Discover It secured card. Now, with this Discover It secured card, you're going to go ahead and you're going to put a couple $100 down on it, and you're going to have access to that as your credit limit. Now, Discover, they do give pretty high limits. So after a few months of on-time payments and managing your account well and keeping your utilization pretty low, you can go ahead and they'll send you your money right back, and they'll give you access to a higher line of credit, and then you'll be able to utilize that card as well. Make sure that you keep your utilization below 10%. It's really important. Now, before we get into number 4, I want to just remind you guys, if you haven't yet, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so you know when we drop new videos, because you know we're doing 2 videos a week. Got it? Cool. Let's keep it going. Number 4, if you are mid 600s with a pretty decent or pretty blank credit report, you can go ahead and apply for the Apple Card. Now, the Apple Card, it is a rewards card as well. They give you very little rewards, but they give you daily cash back for what you spend. They give you pretty decent limits, and you can request a credit limit increase every 2 months. And you just do it via text. You send them a text, let them know that you want to get a credit limit increase. And if it's been the amount of time and you're utilizing the card well, then they'll go ahead and they'll give you access to a higher limit on your credit card. This card has no fees, no late fees, no monthly fees, no management fees, no annual fees. So it's pretty good when you're first getting started. Payment is due usually at the end of the month, and you go ahead and make that payment. They'll report to all 3 of the bureaus, and it's pretty cool. And the card is titanium, so that makes it pretty awesome. I think I have mine right here. So the card is titanium, so it's pretty cool. Has no numbers on it. Yeah, cool. So we'll move on to credit card number 5. Credit card number 5, if you are a member of Navy Federal, or if you have a family member that's military and they can help you get into Navy Federal, they give really incredible credit limits for their credit cards. So I would suggest going ahead and getting the Navy Federal Go Rewards card. The Go Rewards card has no annual fee. I think they have up to a $50,000 limit that you can get on this card. So they start you off pretty well. Pending if you have any, information on your credit report, you don't want to have any derogatories once again, and they'll give you a pretty decent limit. They pull TransUnion, so you want to make sure that your TransUnion report is pretty good, and you go ahead and just take a chance, apply for this card. You want to be maybe in at least 620, 600. You can go ahead and get this card. They give you a pretty decent amount of rewards. You can check the rewards on their website. And this credit card, it gives you points that can be transferred into rewards. There's no annual fee, no reason to worry about it. That's my list for 2021. Top 5 credit cards for beginners. Go out, try your luck, let me know how it goes for you. Drop a comment down below. And if you don't mind, once again, leave a like, hit the subscribe button. And once again, my name is Dennis Grizzard. Here on my channel, we talk about personal finance, saving, investing, entrepreneurship, and credit. If you like these videos and you want to see more, we'll be dropping 2 videos every week. All right, see you guys next time. Peace.